Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Reaching Riches here. So right now I have YBTC pulled up, and I'm going to be giving you guys my estimate for YBTC, which is RoundHill's Bitcoin cover call strategy. Let me just scroll down here. This is their distribution calendar, so they are declaring tomorrow with an exit of Thursday. So if you want to qualify for this distribution, you have to own the fund before Thursday. So we can see here their previous distribution. So the first one was $1.33 and at $1.81. And then they had that massive $4.12 and then another $2 here. Alright, so let's go into the tracker here. So I gave an unofficial estimate last month in Retired on Dividends Discord. And I think I kind of figured out what they're doing here. So I think they are distributing all the premiums collected for this expiration for whatever the contract expiration is. So they distributed everything that was under April 19th contracts, and that's what I gave my estimate on, and it was I think I was relatively close. So that's what I'm gonna do on this one. So everything under this May 17th contract is what I think they're gonna distribute. Here this is the price of BITO on the date. All their contracts were 29.51. All of these were May 17th expiration. This is how many contracts they had, and this is the market value. Here column H is the value per contract, and this is the market value of additional shares or additional contracts, and then these are the value of each individual additional contract. Alright, so let's go through this real quick. So April 19th, they sold their first contract, 7,000 contracts here, and they collected $839,000. Here, if these prices are going to fluctuate depending on the price of BITO at the time. So right here, it fluctuated up, and then back down to 916. Here on the 24th, we added 1,500 contracts, valued at all the shares divided by market value equals to $1.20 per contract. And then this was the hard part. I was trying to figure out what the value of each additional contract was, so I could figure out how much premium we collected for those contracts alone. Not too sure if I have it all down yet, but I'm just doing my best here. So here I figure out what the value of each additional contract is. So market value of additional contracts is F21 times J21. So it's additional contracts times J21 here, which is 1834. So it's saying that 1834 is the value of each of these additional contracts. And then if you add those together, then we get 28,000 for so for this 1528, well, we collected 28,000 just for those. That's what that's saying. All right, so let's keep moving. So no change here on the 25th. We lost contracts here in on the 26th, which was about $544. So we lost $544. And then here, 29th, no change. 30th, no change. We lost an additional $652 on the 1st, so we lost another $425. Alright, and then largely no change for a while, all the way up until the 14th, where we added 684 contracts. So each contract was worth about 2 cents now, since market value dropped a lot, which is what we want to see. So it started here, the last change of 83, now dropped all the way down to 18. So each one was worth 2 cents. And then total we got $93.57. Sorry if my allergies are killing me right now. All right. And then here no change all the way up into expiration, so no change here. So it expired worthless, which means we got to keep all of the premiums. And then just quick note on expiration, BITO was 27.22, so definitely under our calls. So let's go and look here. So these are their synthetics right now. So let me scroll to the top to just show you what it's worth right now. So they have that June 21st is their expiration. And then they have a strike of 32.15. Have a buy call here, 11,044 contracts valued at 361,000, and they have a sell put, which is valued at $6.5 million. So right now we're looking at a $6.22 million loss right now. So not good. Right now it's currently 14% out of the money. It's mainly because BITO's just been dropping in price. It's been under our strike for so long. So they made this. I don't want to do too much scrolling, but they made this this synthetic in, I believe it was in March, right after that big distribution. They made this this one here, and it's been under our strike this whole time since March. All right, now to the part that everyone wants to see. So my last estimate was 179, which was I mean it was, I would say it's relatively close. They distributed out $2 last time, so now right now I'm estimating $1.63 for their distribution. That's what I think they're gonna distribute. Let me just clean this up a bit. There we go. $1.64, round it up. So they have a total of 530,000 outstanding shares. You just double check that, make sure it's still accurate. 590 now. Oh, sorry. Let me update that. Well, it's 530 on. It was 530 on that date. So let me update it. So it's 590 now. Sorry, it's pulling from here. So let me update this one. Oh, okay. So that changes it. Alright, so since we had the additional inflows, we're looking at $1.47 now. Oh, okay, that dropped quite a bit. So $1.47 is what I'm estimating this next distribution to be. I know it's not nearly as high as what we were hoping, but this is what it came out to be. Math's a little bit hard to figure out just because they don't tell me a whole lot on these. Like, they don't tell me what the additional shares are going to be, so I just kind of had to figure that out. So we'll see how close I am with this crazy math that I'm doing here. But yeah, so that's what we're looking at, $1.47. And then so, well, let me know what you guys think about this. I know it looks like it's dropping, but I think next month it'll be higher just because it's synthetic. If they pay out anything for the synthetic, we have to see if BITO goes above our strike, and then we can start making some money on that synthetic. But the synthetic is expiring next month, so we'll see if we get a bump in distribution payout then. But yeah, let me know what your guys' thoughts are on this. And then on another note, let's see. So if we go to QDTE and XCT, I just want to make a quick note here. the distribution calendar did change. So previously they were pretty much to Tuesday is what their schedule was. And then now it looks like it's moving Wednesday to Wednesday. So if we look here, like the 29th is Wednesday, the next declaration is the 5th and the 12th. So that's another Wednesday. So it looks like they're moving to Wednesdays for a while. So just be on the lookout for that. And then looks like they're back to a Tuesday over here. Yeah. So just a little note on that. Alright, that's it. That's all I had for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. That's all I had. So I'm out.